Hey everyone, welcome back to MNMMPT NAATI YouTube channel. This is Manmohit. In today's video, I am going to share with you all the most repeated reorder paragraphs of all time. So the resources where you are practicing your reorders like every single month once, keep doing them. But alongside, do practice the ones that I am going to share as well, because these are the ones which not just this month or maybe the last month or something like that, they have been getting consistently repeated since this PTE began. So basically 2015 something. So I am going to give you the correct answers for them. So do read them out. Do read all of the correct sentences. Do read all of the sentences in the correct sequence, so that if you also get one of these in the real exam, it would be a lot beneficial for you. Because even though this topic is not that important as compared to other important tasks, but still it gives you about 5 to 10, roughly 5 to 10 marks out of 90 in your reading section. And reading module is the one which people find a lot challenging. So I'm going to leave you with all of these. Do practice them, do read them a lot of times. And if you need any sort of additional help from us, let's say one-on-one consultations with me or Mohit, where you can ask any your doubts, if you want to understand any topic, get feedback for your speaking, anything like that. If you want to discuss with us live one-on-one, you can get in touch with us on Instagram or Facebook. The name is literally MNMMPT NAATI. Just search it over there using the links that I'm going to give you in the description box below. If you have any sort of questions, do leave them in the comment section. And also, if you are going to give your NAATI Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati exams soon, do get in touch with us. We have got the latest prediction files for them, which has got about 25 most repeated dialogue audios of all time. So that again, if you are one of those lucky ones, you may end up getting the same dialogues repeated. So here are the reorder paragraphs. Practice them, and I'll see you guys in the next one.